Okay, so I've been making myself some hand sanitizer, and I thought to myself, why don't I make a video of this and show this to you guys? And I'm going to show you something else first here. This is a Purell hand sanitizer. I'm going to peel away this label here. I'm going to show you something. Hand sanitizer, 70% ethyl alcohol. And there's a reason for that. And that is because sanitizer, to be effective, has to be between 60-75% alcohol. If the alcohol is too weak, the alcohol can't break down the protein outer layer of the organism, and then it can't penetrate the organism to destroy it. And if the alcohol is too strong, that outer protein congeals, and then the alcohol can't get in to dry it out. So this is the most effective range. And you will see this on a lot of hand sanitizers. 62 hand sanitizer, 66. On the back, I've got another one here, baby bum. I can show you guys. It
camera
is
or not?
62%.
No, it'll have to do a photo like it did with the other
you
one.
want to be in this range. Okay?
See if you can read that.
You can make hand sanitizers out of two alcohols that are really easy to get. Isopropyl alcohol, which is rubbing
62%.
alcohol. You want to go for the 91 or 99%. Don't go for the 60%. The other thing you can use is ethyl alcohol. This here is essentially Everclear. If you can't get this in a store, then you're going to have to figure out a way to make it on your own if that's really what you need. Isopropyl alcohol is dirt cheap. It's easy to find. Even right now, your stores may be sold out, but within a few days they'll be back in stock. So you can mix your alcohol with various things to make it an effective hand sanitizer. Here's some aloe vera gel. This is not 100% aloe vera. This is kind of a mixture of aloe vera from the dollar store here, $2 at Dollarama. And the other thing you can use here is glycerin. It is non-toxic, so mixing the glycerin with this alcohol actually is a great mixture for kids who might accidentally ingest something. So, and then what you can do is you can add a little bit of aroma to it. Here I've got 2 essential oils, tea tree and lavender oil. My ethyl alcohol, because it's 93%, and I have a 100 milliliter final product, if I'm using a target of 63% or 65% alcohol, that means I'm going to need 70 milliliters of this and 30 milliliters of my other ingredients. So that gives you an idea. My isopropyl alcohol, because it is 99%, in this case, it's 100 milliliters final product. My target is 65% alcohol, 65 milliliters of alcohol, 35 milliliters of my other ingredients. I'm going to start with my ethyl alcohol. I'm going to do ethyl alcohol and glycerin in this one. So here I'm going to go So there I'm about 73 milliliters of alcohol. So this will be closer to 70%. Then I will use my glycerin and I will fill it up to 100 milliliters. This is USP glycerin, which has almost no water content in it. So add another tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of water to this mixture. That will bring your alcohol content down to anywhere between 65 and 75%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing here with the lavender. I'm going to do 5 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see where the alcohol and the glycerin separate. This is why this container is actually really good. I shake it up real good. I'm going to kill some bugs. Okay, so this glycerin here is a lot more liquidy than the aloe vera is. This one is so liquidy it actually works well in a spray pump. So I'm gonna use this for it. Has a nice smell. I have a little bit dripping out the side, so it's not gonna fill it quite all the way up, but that's okay. Here's my hand sanitizer. Now, as you'll see when it sprays, it comes out as a nice mist. Stays, the glycerin keeps it on your hands long enough. You can smell the alcohol in it. This was a simple mixture, ethanol and glycerin. So next, I'll make one with aloe vera. We're gonna do it all again. This time we're gonna use the isopropyl alcohol. Now, what we're gonna do is exactly the same thing as before. So I'm going to go and put in, this time, just closer to 65 milliliters of alcohol. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is put in the aloe vera. Once again, we're gonna go up to 100 milliliters. So I'm putting in the alcohol first so that the aloe vera gel will displace it, and then I have an accurate measurement. Once again, do I want to put in tea tree oil? Aloe vera already has a really good scent. Do I want to put it in? Well, you know what? I'm gonna try it. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four. Ooh, that went really fast. So that was about 5. Okay. This bottle's not going to last long. The alcohol is rubbing the numbers off. So you'll see here, once again, it is very liquidy, as you saw with this one here too. Nice and slowly. Again, lost a few milliliters along the side there. All right. There you go. This one's kind of milky. See, this one kind of got clear. This one stayed kind of milky. But you'll see what it's like when we pump it. There you go. Once again, like a liquid. Rub it. It smells fantastic. Very alcohol-y, but very good. So, wonderful. Thanks for watching. Take care.